the comments below, I'd like you to share your favorite charities. What's up, crew? Welcome to another video. I got bot farmed, and this is how I'm going to handle it. Make this one quick. One final update for the 1,000 subscriber milestone giveaway. So turns out a cash giveaway is a little more complicated than I really anticipated.
What do you mean by that?
When I started to promote the final moments of the giveaway, there was an inrush of subscribers, which was really awesome. But it was very, very clear early on that it wasn't all car people.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I still ran the giveaway. I have a live recording of me picking the winner. But throughout the process, I'd gotten some comments from others who have been subscribers for a while, telling me to cancel the giveaway, telling me not to pick a winner, or suggesting other ways to make this sort of celebration of hitting 1,000. I felt like I was in a bit of a dilemma. I followed through with what I had promised to do, but I wanted to make sure that I took the next step to try to make it as legit as possible. So I asked AI,
You serious?
Hey, I don't know if I fully trust everything happening in my giveaway. What should I do? And it gave me a brilliant option. Since that winner had their email in the description, I was able to reach out. I sent an email with the subject line giveaway verification. And in the body, I had a request. I said, to verify, please send the comment that you placed on the entry video. I didn't mention the profile name associated. I just said, send a direct message to the Instagram account, Prjct.Garage, with the comment that you entered to win. I never received an email back. I also didn't receive any direct messages on Prjct.Garage.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
They didn't follow up within the 48-hour window. We move on. Here's where the correction I would like to make, and hopefully the community is down for this. The person who flagged it with the biggest comment on it, literally they commented on an old episode of Prjct.pod, which I found interesting. It was like almost like it was like raising the flag without being super obvious on one of the recent videos. They suggested charity, which is actually something Justin had suggested early on as well, is coming up with more of a charity-based giveaway system. So at least for this one, and I'm honestly considering it to be the baseline piece of a giveaway system for Prjct.Garage, is $500 will be given to a selected charity. And the way I'd like to involve the community with that is in the comments below, I'd like you to share your favorite charities. If there's overlap, multiple people saying the same charity, or if you like one of the charities that someone commented, reply to their comment and say this one or thumbs up or something like that, validate it. If there isn't enough overlap, I'm going to do a little bit of research and pick one, and then I'm going to send $500 to that charity. Incredible. This definitely feels like the cleanest way to resolve what has happened. And obviously posting this could result in a net negative subscription. I don't know whoever created all the accounts to get me over 1,000, then carry us all the way up to 1,283, if they're going to go through and unsubscribe every single one of them. But this is how I think we're going to run for the rest of them. I do want to think of some creative ways to implement other ways to give away things, because originally this giveaway was for tools. This was for a set of wrenches. And then I thought, sweeten the deal, see if it would help increase our visibility on YouTube. I added a jack and jack stands by Daytona. And then it was going to be a Harbor Freight credit. And then it turned into cash because it seemed like the easiest thing to transact. Most giveaway systems do a car or take cash, the cash value of the car. In the end, that didn't really work out, but I'd still like to find a creative way to supply tools to the community and at some point, potentially a project car. So not like a Ferrari, but an E46 that is well maintained and then a few parts to go on it for you to DIY yourself. That would be the dream of Prjct.Garage giveaways or Prjct.Giveaway one day.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
So that's it for that update. Hopefully that all makes sense. And hopefully this announcement doesn't have a bigger net negative than the bot farm that just happened to the channel. Because I don't know if YouTube will see a big drop in subscribers, which I'm not sure if that's going to happen anyways, if it's going to affect our visibility on YouTube. But to be honest, it might be better than the weird data that just gave our algorithm and feeding us to probably the wrong people, not car people, because I want to reach car people. So I think this is going to end up being a little bit of a long form instead of a short. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, consider joining the crew. That just means subscribe. We make car content here. I have an Evo 9 MR. an E36 drift build and a Toyota Tundra that is sort of like the one day it'll takes the other cars to tracks if I ever go one day. Justin has an E36 as well that we're OEM plussing, and we're going to be painting next month. Fingers crossed. And then there might be an E46 coming into the mix because it's a hell of a deal and I could use a missile that actually runs. And if you're not new, you know what to do. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share this video. Those are ways that help grow the crew. And until the next one, I'll see you later, crew. Go spend some money on your money pit.